ChatGPT is a chatbot powered by artificial intelligence AI that lets you chat with your computer using natural language to make search queries. When you search how to bake a cake on Google, you get a list of different websites with cake recipes. When you type the same question in ChatGPT, the AI will give you step-by-step instructions on how to bake a cake right in your chat. So it feels like you're talking to a real person and not a search engine. Hey guys, it's Robsy, back with Paperless Humans, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to master different productivity apps. In this video, we're going to go through how to download the official ChatGPT app and use it on your iPhone. To get started, go to the App Store and search for ChatGPT. There are a lot of apps that look like ChatGPT on App Store. So to make sure you're downloading the official one, you need to check that the developer is OpenAI. Open the app. You can either sign up using 3 options, or if you already have an account, you can just log in, which is what I'll do. After reading the warnings, you can continue. You can now ask ChatGPT anything you want to start chatting in real time. Tap the app-facing arrow to send the message. ChatGPT then gives you a response, which you can go through. And if you have any more questions, you can ask them to understand more about what you're trying to learn. You can stop ChatGPT to interject the AI's response and ask a different question in case you are getting information you don't really need. Long pressing the response gives you options to copy, select text if you want to translate, or share it. You can regenerate response if you're not happy with the one that the app gives you. And you can mark the response as good or bad to give the app some feedback. Instead of typing, tap the audio wave icon to voice your question. You can stop recording once you've asked the question for the app to convert it to text, which you can then forward to ChatGPT. The 3 dots icon lets you do the following. You can rename or delete a chat. You can view the history of all the chats in your account. Search helps you to quickly find what you're looking for in your history. Long pressing a chat in your history lets you rename or delete it. You can tap a chat history to just pick up where you left off in that chat. Your account information is under Settings. ChatGPT Plus costs $19.99 a month. You can enable or disable several features. And even have the option to delete your account. New Chat lets you leave the current chat you're on to create a new one. And that is pretty much everything there is to know about ChatGPT on the iPhone. Make sure you subscribe for more free courses on different apps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.